Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Brinks commercial, a padlock that my friend Rick gave me, which I'm very, very grateful for. And I don't know where he got this, because I don't think I've seen one of these in the UK in the shops. It's possible you could buy these. This is an American brand, I believe. And I have picked this, and it does have security pins in. I'm not sure what, because I can't gut it, but it is pretty good, actually. So, top of the keyway tension. So let's just remind ourselves of that key. Reasonable bitting. In that you've got pin 1 being a very long key pin protecting pin 2. I think it's got a high pin 3 and a high pin 4 as well. So yeah, okay, let's put a 1mm top of the keyway turner in. Try to sort of grip the padlock, thumb tension, and we're just going to pull the pick back and see if I can't feel anything's binding. So pin 3 here. Little click. Pin 2. Oh, that's pin 1. A tiny amount of pin 1. Pin 4 there at the back. I can feel pin 3 there. Oh, into a false set. You see that? Just move into a false set. And I just hit something else and it put me into a deeper false set, which means I think that there could be some spool pins or serrated pins in here. I'm just trying to find which pin is, I think maybe pin 3 holding us back a little bit there. Some counter rotation. And yeah, we got the open. I was very careful turning that because these can torque out quite easily if you're not careful. So there you go. Double ball bearing locking mechanism. Overall, definitely a cut above a lot of these laminated padlocks, that's for sure. It's got spool pins in there, absolutely certain. Maybe serrations, wasn't sure, could have just been 2 spools, but the fact it went into a little full set and then more of a full set might indicate some serrated pins. But yeah, if anybody knows what's actually on the inside of one of these, I'd be really interested to know, but not bad at all. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. If you haven't smashed that notification bell, then do so. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.